A legislative assembly election was held in 2016 for the 294 seats of the Vidhan Sabha in the state of West Bengal in India. The All India Trinamool Congress under Mamata Banerjee won 211 seats and thus was re-elected with an enhanced majority. Like in the 2011 election, the poll was held in 6 phases, with the first phase divided into 2 days. The first phase was held in Naxalite-Maoist affected red corridor areas with 2 polling dates, 4 April and 11 April. The other phases were held on 17, 21, 25, 30 April and 5 May. The result of the election was declared on 19 May. In the previous election in 2011, the All India Trinamool Congress in a coalition with Incorporated won a majority and ended the 34-year rule of the Left Front government. In the previous assembly election in 2011, the All India Trinamool Congress, under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, won a majority and ended the 34-year rule of the Left Front government. During 2011 election, the main theme of TMC was Paribartan, implying it was time to change the Left Front reign of 34 years in the state. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.